cook. Welcome to our cafe. Big cook, little cook, want you to come and play. Meeting all the friends we cook for, sharing stories, trips and fun. Big cook, little cook, we'll cook for everyone.
Hello! Hello! Welcome to our cafe, the best cafe in the world.
We're playing a game. Would you like to play with us?
Oh, yes, that'd be fun.
We're playing a game about remembering things. Have a good look at the things we've put on the counter. There's a wooden spoon, a feather duster, a lemon, and a bowl.
I'm going to take one of these things away while you're not looking. And you've got to try and remember what it is that's missing. OK, Small, close your eyes. No peeping. OK, I'm taking something away now. Here we go. There we are. Done it. You can look now, Small. And you can look too. So, what is it that's missing? Can you remember?
Let's see what we've got. We've got the wooden spoon, the feather duster, and the bowl. What's disappeared? Do you know? Oh, I know. Yes, I do. It's the lemon.
Yeah, well done, Small. It is the lemon. Did you get that one?
You're very good at remembering things.
Yes, you're just like elephants.
Elephants?
Yes. Haven't you ever heard the saying, an elephant never forgets? Hey, Small, I've got an idea. Would you like to hear a joke about an elephant?
Oh, go on then, Ben.
OK. What do you get if you crossed two elephants with a fish?
I don't know, Ben. What do you get if you cross two elephants with a fish?
Swimming trunks.
Huh?
Get it? Swimming trunks.
Oh!
Good one.
Good one, Ben.
Yeah. Oh, come on, Small. We've got a customer.
I'm on my way.
Woohoo! Who is it today, Small?
Ben, what do you do if there's an elephant in your cafe?
Oh, I don't know, Small. What do you do if there's an elephant in your cafe?
No, Ben, there really is an elephant in our cafe. He's just sat down at one of the tables. Oh, dear. We'll have to feed him before he breaks all the chairs. I think it's time to look in my book.
We need a story to help us cook.
Let's take a look in Little Cook's book. Little Cook's Adventures in the Big World. Let me see. There was once an elephant who got the sneezels. She didn't have a cold. She didn't even have a tickly nose. She just woke up one morning and started to sneeze. This was very bad news for the other animals, because every time the elephant sneezed, it sent one of them flying, or blasted the birds out of the trees, or blew someone's nest away. They had to think of something quick. First, the monkey suggested tying a knot in the elephant's trunk. Monkey climbed onto Elephant's head and managed to tie her trunk in a tight knot. The elephant was very grateful for his help, but the next sneeze was so strong that the knot came undone and the monkey was blown high into the sky. The two parrots suggested the elephant should try blowing her nose on a giant jungle leaf. But the next sneeze was so strong that she blew one of the parrots across the jungle and the other parrot out of his tree. It was no use. The animals would have to ask their friend Little Cook to come and help. Now, I had heard that elephants are afraid of mice, so I knew exactly what to do. I asked Mouse to creep along the branch towards Elephant's head. When he got as near as he could, he took a deep breath and shouted very loud, "Boo!" Elephant jumped in the air, trumpeted in fright, and galloped away into the jungle. All the other animals listened. There was silence. They waited. After a while, the elephant came crashing happily back through the trees. I'm cured, she cried. No more sneezels! All the animals cheered. Little Cook to the rescue once again.
That was a great adventure. Brilliant story, Small. But we still don't know what to make for an elephant to eat.
Ooh, and that elephant sounds really hungry, Ben.
Yes, how he does. But what can we make for an elephant? Ooh,
I know! Big Cook's Big Cookery book!
Of course, the Big Cookery book. There's recipes for everything in there.
And where do we look for things to cook?
In the book, in the book. In Big Cook's book. Hey, here we go. The very thing for an elephant's lunch.
An elephant treat! Brilliant!
Oh, it looks yummy, doesn't it? Come on, Small. You read out the ingredients and I'll see if we've got them.
OK, let's see. We're going to need butter.
OK, over to the fridge. Here we go. Butter, got that.
Ice cream.
Ice cream in here. There we go. Ice cream, got that too, Small.
A crepe.
Crepe in here. There we go. Got it.
Bananas.
Bananas. Got them.
A mango.
Mango. Here we go. Got the mango.
A black grape.
Just the one. There we are.
And some fudge.
Oh, right. Here we go. Now, that's everything, except the fudge. Now, we could make some, but it'd take a long time.
I know. Why don't I whisk off and get some, Ben?
Good idea, Small. And I'll have everything ready when you get back.
See you later, then. Woohoo! Hey, why don't you come along too?
Go, Small, whiz away! I wonder what he'll see today.
This is where fudge is made.
Ooh, you need lots of sugar to make fudge. All the ingredients need to be weighed. This is called syrup. It's all runny and sticky. Yummy. We need a little bit of salt. Now the ingredients have been weighed, they're put into a big mixing pot. The last thing to be added is milk. It's heated up in the pot and stirred round and round. It's hard work. Can you see all the bubbles? It means it's very hot. Look at all the steam. The mixture has been poured onto a table where it's made into fudge. That's the flavouring. Time to mix it all up. The mixture is still really runny. I hope it doesn't run off the table. It's time to add the chocolate. Fudge comes in lots of different flavours. There's fruit fudge, chocolate fudge, toffee fudge. There's fudge everywhere. The chocolate bits have been melted into the hot fudge mixture. The fudge is ready. It's being cut into slices and put on a tray.
That was great. Oh, better get back to the cafe. Bye. I'm back.
Did you get the fudge?
I certainly did.
Ooh, wow.
I went to a fudge factory, Ben. It was amazing. They poured out all the fudge on this table and it smelt yummy.
Sounds great, Small. Everything's ready. Oh, hang on. You know that remembering game we were playing earlier, Small? Well, one of the objects has gone missing. Have you moved it?
No. What was it?
It was something that was just there, but I can't remember what it was.
Neither can I, Ben.
Can you remember what it was?
I remember it was something quite big.
Ooh, come on, Small, we must get on. A hungry elephant is a grumpy elephant.
Come on, then.
We're all ready, so take a look.
And we will show you how to cook.
Jelly boats and pirates, gold princess pea pies, carrot cakes and fruity smiles,
As envelope surprise.
We love our cafe and we love to cook. We have a fantastic recipe book. He is big cook and he is small. Friends in our cafe, we cook for them all. When your tummy gets all rumbly, you're ready for a treat. You can make something delicious to eat.
Have you cleaned the surfaces?
Yes, have you washed your hands?
Yes! All clean and ready to cook. Do you remember the ingredients to an elephant treat?
You do?
There was butter,
1 teaspoon,
ice cream,
1 scoop,
a crepe,
1,
banana,
2, 1 whole and 1 sliced,
mango,
half sliced,
grape,
1 grape cut in half,
and fudge.
half a cup.
Whoopee! Let's get started!
OK, now you need to get your grown-up helper to do this next bit because it's going to get hot, hot, hot. Now, I've already put a little bit of water in the bottom of this saucepan to start to heat up. So, I'm going to put the fudge into a bowl. There we are. And I'm going to pop it on the top. And we need to stir it until it goes all runny.
Does the fudge take long to melt, Ben?
Not long at all, Small. Only a couple of minutes. So, we can start to heat up the crepe. Now, I'm going to put the butter into a frying pan and melt it. There we go. Now this is going to stop the crepe from sticking to the frying pan. And now we can put the crepe in. There we go.
Oh, that smells delicious!
It certainly does, Small. And now, watch this.
I'm watching!
OK then, here I go. Brrrr.
Hey! Well done, Ben. Has the fudge melted yet?
Yes, all lovely and runny. There we are. And the crepe's ready too. So I'll just turn off the heat. What's next, Small?
You cut the crepe in half and roll the fruit up inside the 2 pieces of crepe.
There we are. I've cut the crepe in half. So now I need to add the mango and the banana, don't I?
You do, Ben, but you need to save 2 slices of mango for later.
OK then. In goes the mango. There we are. Now this needs to be cone-shaped, doesn't it, Small?
That's right. You need to put them near the top of the plate with a space between them. They're going to be the elephant's ears.
OK, and just pop some banana on this side. There we go. OK, then. And I know what comes next.
Ice cream!
Hey! One big dollop of ice cream in the middle. There we go. That's going to be our elephant's head.
The 2 leftover slices of mango are going to be the elephant's tusks.
Pop those in there. Oh, yes, they look great.
And these grape halves are going to be the elephant's eyes. Here you are, Ben.
Thank you, Small. Eyes on.
There's still something missing from our elephant. Do you know what it is?
The elephant's trunk. Let's see how this looks. In it goes.
That looks yummy!
The very last thing, our yummy fudge sauce. I'm going to scoop it up with our teaspoon and I'm going to dribble it all over our elephant's head. There we are. Now make sure you get your grown-up helper to help you with this bit. And I'm going to do a nice zigzag pattern all down the elephant's trunk.
Our fudgy, fruity Jumbo the elephant.
Let's send it through to our hungry customer.
We still haven't remembered the thing that we're missing from our game, Ben.
Well, maybe we'll find it when we tidy up. One elephant treat coming through. Ooh. There we go. Whew. All done.
So what do we do now? Can we play?
Not yet. Time to clean and put away.
Hooray!
Wash, wipe, scrub and clean. Make the kitchen sparkle and gleam.
My name's Ben.
And my name's Small. We've got the cleanest kitchen of all. Tidy all the bits and bobs, the things that help us do our jobs. Ingredients well put away, ready for use another day. Pots and pans will start to smell if we don't wash them really well. And now it's clear, let's all smile, we'll be finished in a little while. All around, up and down, we've got the cleanest cafe in town.
Aha! Here comes the plate.
Oh, yes, Small. And look, the elephant's left a note.
Oh, what does it say? What does it say?
Let's see, shall we? It says, Dear Big Cook Ben and Little Cook Small, thank you for my jumbo snack. It was delicious. Hoo-hoo. And I'll never forget how Little Cook cured my sneezels. So that's 2 thank yous. In return, I've given your cafe a good clean, especially the ceiling, which was quite dusty. Hoo-hoo.
Look, Ben, the feather duster. The thing that we're missing from our game.
Oh, yes, Small. The feather duster. Did you all remember this?
The elephant must have borrowed it to dust our cafe.
Oh, yes, the feather duster. Oh, and look, Small, there's something else written here. It says the only trouble is, dusting the cafe has made me want to sneeze. Oh, no!
See you
See you
soon.
soon.
Big cook, little cook, welcome to our cafe. Big cook, little cook, we'll cook for everyone. We'll cook for everyone.